Here's the beautiful thing about legal sales. You're not prospecting or having to set your own appointments. So how the legal sales process works is leads come in, you have a setter that runs intake, and that setter builds the initial relationship and sets an appointment for you as the closer. That setter's responsibility is also to get them to show up to the appointment at the highest rate possible. And then for you as the law firm closer, you are quite literally running just qualified sales consultations every day. So this role is great if you do really love sales and you love running consultations and you love the art of closing a deal. Because in the past, you might have been in roles where a prospect was evaluating if the service that you offer was necessary, if you're the right type of programmer, if they're evaluating a bunch, if they really even need what you do. Well, the difference here is that the prospects you're meeting with are people who are in a very difficult time in most cases in their life, whether they're drowning in financial debt and they need bankruptcy, whether they just got arrested and they need a criminal defense attorney, or trying to prevent a future difficult time in their life, which would be like estate planning. They're trying to set up a trust for their family so that way when that inevitable day comes and they pass away, their family doesn't have to go through the probate process. These are the type of law firms we're dealing with, people who are very problem aware and pain aware, and it's less about if they're going to hire a law firm to help them. Although that happens with the percentage, it's more about who are they going to hire. And as long as you're running that proven script and that structure, you're going to be able to take 60 to 80% of those prospects and turn them into paying clients. But here's the good news about this role. After every sale, you get to feel good about what you did. You're doing work that matters. You are taking people that are in a very difficult time in their life, connecting them to the stage to be able to move behind this difficult time and putting them on a pathway to a more desirable point in their life to get out of the current hell, quite honestly, that they're experiencing. So every time you close a deal in this role, you get to feel good about what you just did in helping that person. So when it comes to being able to help prepare yourself to step into the legal sales role in the legal sales industry, first and foremost is make sure those soft skills are met.